Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install iOS 15 developer beta 4 on iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, connect to Wi-Fi and launch Safari browser and search for beta profile and tap on first link. After loading the page, scroll and under iOS beta profile, tap on install profile. Tap install anyways. And a pop-up window will appear and we have to tap on allow. Profile downloaded. Review the profile in Cydia app if you want to install it. Tap close. Now go to settings. Profile downloaded. Tap install. Put iPhone passcode. Tap install. Install. If you want to restart, tap restart, otherwise tap on not now and tap done. Now go back to settings and general and tap software update. Here we go, iOS 15 developer beta 4 is ready to download on your iPhone and is holding 4.33 GB profile, and we have to tap on download and install to get iOS 15 developer beta 4. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.